Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Revolut app abroad. As a Revolut user traveling internationally, it is essential to understand how to effectively utilize the app to manage your finances. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Revolut app installed on your mobile device. Before traveling, notify Revolut of your travel plans by going to the app's settings and selecting the countries you plan to visit. This helps prevent any unnecessary security blocks on your account. When abroad, you can use the Revolut app to exchange currencies at the real exchange rate, without any hidden fees. To do this, go to the app's dashboard, select the currency you want to exchange, and enter the amount. The app will then display the exchange rate and the amount you will receive. To make payments or withdraw cash, use your Revolut card as you would a regular debit or credit card. You can also use the app to send money to friends or family, or to pay bills. It is crucial to keep an eye on your account activity and transaction history to avoid any suspicious transactions. You can do this by regularly checking the app's transaction feed. Additionally, take advantage of Revolut's real-time spending updates and budgeting tools to track your expenses and stay within your budget. For security purposes, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your phone and app password secure. In case your card is lost or stolen, you can instantly freeze it in the app to prevent any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Revolut app abroad, enjoy fee-free transactions, and have a stress-free travel experience. Remember to always stay informed about any local banking regulations or restrictions that may apply to your Revolut account.